Hello friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear friends, in the previous class we were discussing about the topic finding the solution of system of linear equations in three variables. In the previous class we were discussing about the exercise 4.6. Today we shall continue about the problems related to our exercise 4.6. Okay dear friends, it is a very important type of problem asked in your annual examination Karnataka State PU Board for 5 marks. Okay friends, let us start with the problem here. Given the system of equations here, okay, given the system of equation, three system of equations is there, three equations are there with three variables, x, y, z are the unknown variables, and that value we require to find here. So the given system of equation, so here we will write in the form of ax equal to b. Okay, ax equal to b, where a is nothing but what here, the matrix A, that is the coefficient of all the variables. What are those? The coefficient of first equation, that is 2, next here 1 and 1. Next coefficient of second equations are 1, minus 2, minus 1. Then in the third equation we are having 0x plus we have. Okay dear friends, we have 0x plus, that means coefficient of x will be 0. Now then coefficient of y is 3 and minus 5. Similarly the matrix B, what we have the matrix B value here, the matrix B value will be 1, 3 by 2 and then 9. 1, 3 by 2 and 9. Now dear friends, we require to find the x value. X means what we have to do here, x equal to A inverse into B. That means from this given matrix A, I require to find the inverse. Okay, now whether we can find the inverse or not, that depends on our determinant value. So here determinant, how to find the determinant value? Determinant of A, I can expand along the first row or either the first column. Here we can observe that here we are having 0 in the first column, therefore we will expand along the first column itself. So what we get here, that is determinant of A equal to, determinant of A equal to 2 into leaving this row and column, what we get, 5 2s are 10, okay, 10 minus into minus 3, 10 plus 3, then we have minus 1 into leaving this row and the column, what we have, leaving this row and column, 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5, then minus 3 plus 0 into anything will be 0. Now what we get here, the value 10 plus 3, 13, 13 2s are 26, 26 here minus 8, minus into minus, that is plus 8. So what values we get here, okay, plus what we have here, plus the value will be 0, plus the value will be 0. So what values we get, 30, 6 plus 6 12, 13 14, 34, and it is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means what? It is non-singular. Non-singular means we can find out the A inverse. Now we require to find the A inverse formula. What is the A inverse formula? 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. Okay dear friends, now we require to find this adjoint A value. Now how to find this adjoint A here? Adjoint A formula, that is nothing but here transpose of cofactors of each and every element. Transpose of cofactors of each and every element, that itself is our, okay, adjoint. So that is nothing but here A11, A12, A13, okay, then A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, then A33, okay, the transpose of it. Now here we shall find out all the values, cofactors of each and every values. So first of all, that is A11. Now what is the value for A11? A11 means what? That is cofactor of 1 and it is pre-multiplied by plus sign. That means leaving this row and column, what values we get? 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 3, the value will be 13. The value will be 13. Next A12, its sign is negative. Okay, its sign is negative. Here that is cofactor of 2, leaving this row and column, what we get? 1 into minus 5, minus 5, minus 5 into 0. The value will be minus of minus 5, the value is plus 5. Then A13. A13 means what it is? Cofactor of 1 here, leaving this row and this particular column, 1 into 3, 3, minus 0, the value will be 3 here. Next A2 1. What is the value for a21? Its sign is negative here. Its sign is negative. So what we get here, that is cofactor of 1. Leaving this row and particular column, 1 into minus 5 minus 3. The value is minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. Okay, minus 8, and it is pre-multiplied by minus sign, therefore it is plus 8. Plus 8. Now next value becomes a22. That is, it is pre-multiplied by plus sign. What we get? The cofactor of 2, leaving this row and column, 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10 minus 0 here, the value is minus 10. Okay. Then a23, it is pre-multiplied by minus sign here, that is cofactor of minus 1. Okay friends. So leaving this row and particular column, 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 0, the value is 6, minus 6 value. Next one is a31 value. A31 means what it is? Cofactor of 0. Cofactor of 0 means, leaving this row and column, what we get? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2 becomes plus 1. Then a32. What is the value for a32 here? That is cofactor of 3, leaving this row and column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. It is pre-multiplied by minus, the value will be 3. At last the value is a33, it is pre-multiplied by plus sign, that is cofactor of minus 5. 2 into 2 4, minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1 becomes minus 5. Okay friends, these are all nothing but what it is? Cofactors. All the values we got now. Now directly what I will do is, I will directly write down the A inverse. Therefore A inverse equal to 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value what we have? That is 34. 1 by 34 into. Now here, since transpose is there, okay friends, pay attention, here transpose is there, therefore A11, A12, A13 I will write in the form of column format. What we get here? That is 13, then 5, then 3. Okay. Next one is A21, A22, A23, second column. It becomes plus 8, then minus 10 and minus 6. At last 1. Okay. Next we have 3 and minus 5. Okay. This is about the A inverse. Now the last step, that is to find out the x value. How to find the x value here? X means here the variables. Here x means what we have? X equal to x, y, z values. That is the unknown variables that we require here. X equal to, therefore x equal to A inverse into B, which is equal to 1 by 34 into. Okay, I will rewrite the A inverse here. 13, 8, 1. Then we have 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. Okay. Then into B matrix. What is the B matrix here? That is 1, 3 by 2 and 9. Okay. Now here we will multiply these two matrices. So what we get here? 1 by 34 into. Okay. What we have? 13 into 1, 13. Then 8 into 3 by 2. 2 4s are 4 3s are 12. It becomes. Then here plus 9. Okay. Next one is 5 1s are 5 here. 5 1s are 5. Next one is minus 10 into 3 by 2. 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15 becomes. Okay. Next one is 9 3s are 27 plus 27. Okay friends. Next one 3 1s are 3 we have. 3 1s are 3. Then minus 6 into 3 by 2. That becomes here 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 here. And here 9 into 5, that is minus 45. 9 5s are 45. So what we get now, which is equal to 1 by 34 into. Here 13 plus 12 plus 9, the value becomes 34. Okay. Next one is 5 minus 15, that is minus 10 plus 27, the value becomes 17. And next at last 3 minus 9 minus 45, the value will be minus 51. So, okay friends, I will divide everything by 34 here. All the elements I will divide by 34. That implies x value will be 1, y value will be 1 by 2 and z value will be minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. That is the required result. Okay, dear friends, it is a very important concept as well as problem asked in your examination for 5 marks. Please pause the video to note it down. Hello friends, now let us move on with the next problem. This problem was asked in the March 2015 question paper for 5 marks. Okay, dear friends, let us start with the problem here. So what he has given the system of equations along with 3 variables x, y and z. So here this system of equations we will write in the form of Ax equal to b, where A equal to, I will write down all the coefficients here, what we have here, that is 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, then we have 3, minus 1, minus 2. Then x equal to x, y, z, and then B matrix equal to what we have 5, minus 4 and 3, 5, minus 4 and 3. Okay, now here what we require here, we require to find the x value, x equal to A inverse into B. That means I require to find the A inverse value. I can expand this along the first row or either first column. So now I will expand along first row, that is to find the determinant of A value. What we have, 2 into, okay, 2 into 4, 4 plus 1, then minus 3 into, okay, minus 3 into what we have here, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, plus 3 into, that is minus 1, plus 6. Now what values we get here, 5 into 2, 10, then minus, here also 5, 5 3 is a 15, it becomes plus 15. Next here it is 5 3 is a 15 again, 15 plus 15, 30, at last the value will be 40 and it is not equal to 0. That means here this given matrix is non-singular. Non-singular means we can find the value for A inverse, or else if the given matrix is non-singular, it is invertible. Invertible means we can find the inverse. Okay, next thing is we require to find the A inverse. A inverse formula is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint A. That means I require to find here adjoint A value. That means what is the value for adjoint A here? Adjoint A equal to A11, A12, A13. That means taking the transpose of cofactor of every element here. So what we have next one is A21, A22, A23. Next one is A31, A32, A33. Okay. Now we shall find all the values here. What we get here? First of all, A11. A11 means what? Cofactor of 2 here. Cofactor of 2 means leaving this row and column. What we have? 4 plus 1. The value will be 5. Then A12. A12 it is pre-multiplied by minus sign. It is pre-multiplied by minus sign. Okay. That is cofactor of 3 here, leaving this row and column. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3 becomes minus 5, the value will be 5. Next one, A13. A13 value, that is cofactor of 3 value, leaving this row and column. Minus 1 plus 6, minus 1 plus 6 becomes plus 5. Okay, that was the cofactor of 13. Next one is A21. A21 it is pre-multiplied by minus sign here. A21 means here it is the cofactor of 1, leaving this row and column. 3 2s are minus 6, minus 6 plus 3, minus 6 plus 3 becomes minus 6 plus 3 becomes minus 3 and it is plus 3. Then A22 value. A22 means cofactor of minus 2, leaving this row and column. Okay, what we have? Minus 2, that is minus 4, minus 9, minus 4, minus 9 here. Okay, minus 4, minus 9, the value will be minus, okay, 13, minus 13. Next one is A23. A23 pre-multiplied by minus sign, okay, that is cofactor of 1 here, minus 2, minus 9, okay, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 9, minus 2, minus 9 becomes minus 11, the value will be 11. Then A31. A31 means cofactor of here 3, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 becomes 9. Then cofactor of A 3 2. Cofactor of 3 2 means pre multiplied by minus sign, that is cofactor of minus 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 becomes minus 1, minus into minus here it is plus 1, at last A33 pre multiplied by positive sign, what we have, that is cofactor of 2 minus 4 minus 3, okay, 2 2s are 4, minus 4 minus 3 becomes minus 7, minus 7. Okay, dear friends, now I will write down the A inverse directly. A inverse directly means A inverse equal to 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value is 1 by 40 into 1 by 40 into writing all this value in the column format. So what we have here, that is 5 5 5. Okay, next one is A21 value is 3, then minus 13, then we have here 11. Next A31 value is 9, 1 and minus 7, 9 and minus 7. Next, we know the x value. X value, it is nothing but here A inverse into B, A inverse into B. So here, which is equal to x equal to A inverse into B, which is equal to 1 by 40 into, I will write down the adjoint A, that is 5 3 9, 5 5 minus 13 11 1 minus 7 into B. What is the B matrix here given? 5 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4 and 3. Now you require to multiply these two matrix. So what we have here, that is 1 by 40 into 1 by 40 into 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Next one is 4 3s are 12, minus 12 we have. Next one is 9 3s are 27 plus 27. Okay, next one value is here 9 into 5, 9 into 5, sorry, 5 5s are 25 we have, 25, then 13 into 4, minus into minus it becomes plus. Okay, 52 here, the value is 52, and next here at last 1 into 3 3. Okay, next one, multiplying the last row into the column, what we have, 5 5s are 25, 25. Next one here 11 into 4 minus 44, and here 7 3s are 21 minus 21. So what values we get here, which is equal to 1 by 40 into, okay, see the first value here, first row, that is 25 minus 12 becomes 13, 13 plus 27 becomes 40. Next one here, add all these three, 55 plus 25, it becomes 80. And next here we are having 25 minus 27, 25 minus 21 it becomes 4, 4 minus 44 it is minus 40. So hence the value is nothing but 1, 2, minus 1. Therefore x value equal to 1, y value equal to 2, and z value equal to minus 1. Okay, dear friends, this is all about the finding the solution of system of linear equations in 3 variables. Dear friends, in the next class, in the next session, we shall start with the miscellaneous exercise. Okay, the remaining problems you can take as homework. If you have any doubts, you can just comment there, or you can contact me personally. Okay, please pause the video to note it down.